Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off send diagnostic data in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on more privacy settings, and then scroll down and here you will see a send diagnostic data button. So if you want to turn off send diagnostic data, then turn off this button and then click on OK. And if you want to turn on send diagnostic data, then tap on this button again to turn it back on. So with this button you can turn on or turn off send diagnostic data in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.